Every electric car on the road relies on a tiny metal, but now that metal's supply is vanishing. This isn't a rumor, it's a crisis unfolding in real time. China controls nearly 90% of rare earth magnets, the critical components in EV motors, and more. Now, with tightened export rules, automakers are scrambling. Factories could grind to a halt by midsummer. In Germany, one magnet supplier confirms the entire car industry is in full panic. They'll pay any price. That is not just a quote, it's a warning sign. The whole car industry is in full panic. They are willing to pay any price, said by Frank Eckert, CEO Magnosphere. Ford already halted production at its Chicago plant. Just one factory. Multiply that across nations and we're talking weeks, maybe months of stalled production. India says a 30-day disruption in rare earth magnets could derail EV rollouts. Europe, the US, South Korea, all economies face potential shocks. This isn't isolated, it's a global chokehold. Automakers are searching for rare earth-free motors. Governments are building domestic mines. But building a mine from scratch? A decade away. The clock is ticking. US building rare earth magnet plant in Oklahoma, aiming for 2026 output. Lines are closing, factories are idle, and the car world is paralyzed by one little metal. The future we trust is at risk. But the real danger isn't just batteries. Every EV motor relies on rare earth magnets made from neodymium and strengthened with dysprosium. Without these, the wheels of the electric revolution literally stop turning. And here's the catch. Nearly 90% of the global supply is controlled by China. With China halting rare earth exports, is the EV dream collapsing? Stay tuned. AutoPulse will follow where this crisis leads.